back to the channel. It's day 3 at Rockynats and we've got the show and shine on Key Street. We've been kind enough for Garrett to let us stand out the front of their stand. We have twin Garrett 2867s on this car, which you would have seen on 2 vlogs ago. This is really great to be here today. It's an awesome event, awesome venue, and thank you, Garrett. We're going to go for a walk down Key Street. We're going to start here and have a look at some classics and then hopefully move on to some modern cars up that way. Garrett, so kind to let us keep the car here. Hopefully we'll talk to a lot of people. That effect's called patina, the rust effect. Yeah, it looks pretty cool. Let's check it out. Yeah, it's no RB26. It looks like a 350 Chev. Oh, look at the interior.
That's a cool.
That's awesome. Check out that tank. Needs a bit of WD-40, but fine. So this is my dad's favourite car. I think it's an XB or an XA. Yeah, that's beautiful. So it's got a Cleveland in it, a 351 Cleveland. That's pretty nice. This thing's awesome. Yeah, tell us a bit about it.
It's a 1967 Myers Manx. It's based on a Volkswagen, so it runs a standard 1200 Volkswagen engine and transmission and all the suspension and brakes and all that.
So it's like a fiberglass shell?
It's a fiberglass shell. Yeah, it was built by Bruce Myers in the Australian branch of Bruce Myers. See, I've had the car for about 20 years.
Wow.
I've restored it. Just now, it's only done about 80 kilometres since I restored it. It was about a 2.5 year build and 1,000 hours probably.
Yeah, I know that feeling.
And the car, I had to recondition, like the roll cage was too heavily pitted, so we cut all the original cleats off the roll cage and sent that away and re-chromed and a lot of re-chrome.
It looks unreal, doesn't it? There's a lot of chrome and things in there.
Yeah.
Look, appreciate your time.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
Thanks very much.
It's a beautiful car. You got them all.
Hey, look at Arvin. Can you turn it on?
Oh, let's see. It's this Iron Line supercharged 308 gangster Aussie muscle. Lost a fuel pump. Oh shit, Bro 460 let go. Yeah.
You get a replacement?
Oh, I had 2 in. I just had to swap them over.
Yeah,
so I had a pump hanger in with 2.
Oh, nice.
I was only running 1, so yeah, lucky.
Yeah, you thought ahead there, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. How'd you guys go?
Yeah, sweet man. Mark's car, the bung, ended up going to a local workshop. We got a sump plug. Got a local workshop to lay it down.
Did you get the old one out though?
Yeah. We took the radiator out eventually. Once I got it out, I was just like turning around. It was sweet. So I don't know. LT's up stuff because he's all this stuff out. No more cars. No more cars. Mark's bringing that thing back for a bigger turbo and like a intercooler block in between the Holly manifolds. That's what it's got.
A chiller, interchiller or whatever.
I don't know if it's an interchiller. I think we're just doing a water to air, like what this has got.
Okay.
So in between.
Oh, because they wouldn't have air conditioning.
No.
Are you guys in the drags? Did you ever go?
Mark was, but he red lit, but the light was green. They didn't really set the tree.
Oh.
So the light was green. Mark staged, he staged, and Mark went, oh shit, it's green, and just went. Yeah.
We're going to check out this Ford Falcon Classic. Let's check it out. I'd say that's a whirly boy, and that'd be a whirly boy. So it's twin supercharged V8. This thing would be mental. Because here is one of my favourites. When I did my apprenticeship at Ford, I can relate to this thing. So this is a white XD with a Barra with a big Garrett dirty GT42, I would say. 6-boost manifold, plasma and intake, and it's in a beautiful petal white. Hey guys, we've just moved from the Key Street, which there were so many amazing cars there. We've meted and greeted so many awesome quality vehicles. The build quality is spectacular and I love that. So we're off to the Elite Hall now. We're back at the showgrounds. Everyone's heading to the dyno, so we're gonna go have a look at that as well. Walk straight in and look at this thing. Look at the wheels. Let's head this way and have a look at the old... I just walked into a pole. FJ Holden concept car. I've never actually seen a concept car in my life. That's awesome. Yeah, that was insane. How much fun was that? We are very lucky to have this event in Rockhampton. I'm definitely going to come more prepared next year. We're going to come back with the Mustang. We're going to come back with the Sylvia. We're going to come back with the GTR, and we probably won't get any of them ready in time. We'll go pack up the car, so we'll head back to Garrett's stand, get the GTR, and we'll get out of here. Okay guys, it's Sunday afternoon at 4 o'clock and we have had one of the best weekends ever. The GTR was so much fun. There's so many people loved it, and that's awesome. It's a really proud feeling to get so much feedback on a car that you build. I've got a few people to thank, and that is Kelly, my fiance, first. She supports me huge, and I can't thank her enough. Andrew, kudos. Golby's for the giveaway, in fact VP Racing Fuels for the giveaway, all those guys that contributed. Frenchie's Performance Garage, Kevin, thanks for helping out. Dave at Howtech, you helped out. AutoWorks Rockhampton, that was amazing what you guys did. You went out of the way to help me and get me back on the road. You had an auto Alecki there, you had parts there for me. I just couldn't thank you guys enough, and I will thank you somehow. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. We have some awesome content coming up. Thank you, Rockynats, it's been real. Okay guys, thank you for subscribing. We're about to announce the winner to our giveaway right now. Oh my God. GTR Daddy! Congratulations, you have won the giveaway. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to all our subs for watching. We appreciate the support. Thanks to all the sponsors that helped us out with this giveaway pack. Rockynats was a blast. Can't wait to do more content. You!